Conover Murray, and this is Erin's Design with Wine. Stay tuned because today I am going to show you a kitchen that I did 5 years ago, and it is still classic, still timeless, and very dramatic. I want to tell you my 3Ds that I used designing this kitchen. The first thing that you're going to be able to see already is this incredible backsplash. Oh, it is to die for. So many of my clients are scared to take big design risks. I would never let a client make an expensive mistake. One of the reasons why I instinctively knew that we needed a gigantic statement in this kitchen was because we were going to play it so safe with the white shaker cabinets, and we were going to play it very safe on the quartz countertops. I didn't want it to feel just kind of normal, you know? I mean, by the time you remodel your kitchen, you want people to come in and say, wow, and this does it for everybody. The second change that I made for Dave and Jennifer Hadley's kitchen remodel was to eliminate the desk that used to be here. We have talked about this before in my design videos. Nobody wants a useless desk in their kitchen. We're sick of that. I have two solutions. Either add some crap baskets, or we turn it into a beverage center, which is what they chose to do. So now they're able to entertain without having traffic flow into their work triangle, which is a giant kitchen no-no in design. I'm gonna put my wine glass down for a minute and tell you about this special table. This is a 42-inch table. I searched and searched for a 42-inch table that would work in their kitchen because space is at a premium in most kitchens. I couldn't take a 44, I couldn't take a 46, I couldn't take a 48. And everything I found in the 42 did not compare to the backsplash that we had established. Thankfully, Dave and Jennifer agreed to let me design their current table. So we used their old table, and then I brought in my marble mosaic artist and I designed the table, and then I picked out all of the stone that would go on it. And that way, we not only repurposed, but we made something more spectacular than they could have ever purchased. And then I added these great chairs to go with it and topped it off with this amazing chandelier. I'm going to tell you one more detail. I know it's the fourth, but forgive me, it's important. What do we do over the kitchen sink window? I have a rule if you're going to remodel a kitchen with me, and we either do one of two things. One is a Roman shade. Two is a sconce. Dave and Jennifer chose the sconce, and I think it's really paid off well for them. Jennifer just told me that even after 5 years, this is still one of the first things that people comment on, of course, after that backsplash. So I just love it. And then we also added these beautiful pendants. Again, I raised them up really high because Dave is a very tall man, and I wanted him to feel comfortable in his own kitchen. He loves to cook, and he deserves a space that fits him. Thank you for touring this kitchen with me. I think it's still timeless after 5 years. So cheers to being happy at home.